Hey everyone, welcome back to another organizing video. Today I am at my grandma's house doing some organization for her in the bathroom. As you can see, these are her bathroom cabinets. I'm going to take everything out, sort them into categories, and put them back in an orderly fashion.
I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side. When the sun goes city dancing through the night, but I'm not there. You've got me soaring in the clouds, and as the ocean is surrounding me, baby, I'm sure we lost track of time. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever after.
My butt totally kept hitting the door because this is a narrow space to work in. My grandparents have a really narrow space altogether, but you just got to make it work, right?
Lovers, 'cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes
I'm mainly focusing on getting everything out of this space, and I do declutter as I go, but I save the majority of the decluttering for when I am starting to downsize what I have in my categories. Especially when I'm sorting for somebody else, I like to stop and ask them, hey, is this okay to get rid of? And usually I'm right on the money, but a lot of times people have sentimental ties to things that you wouldn't necessarily know about.
I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one, but baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard. Oh, love of mine, I don't wanna take.
The cabinet's all the way empty. I left a bunch of stuff in here because I just am kind of running out of room. In this bin here, I have stuff that doesn't belong that needs to be moved. All things hygienic, first aid, and then down here is body care stuff. And then I threw hair tools and towels in the tub. Don't worry, it's clean. And that's where we're at for now. So now it's time to sort everything into bins and put stuff back.
Trying to keep my focus right. Every glimpse of you deserts me. You're all I think about sometimes. But baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard.
This is how you fold towels. I don't care what you say. This is the best way to do it. Fold them in half lengthwise, fold them in half again, and then you fold into thirds. And they look beautifully polished in your cabinet and they're not going to fall everywhere.
I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. desperation. Never meant to love no one. Love of mine. Love of mine.
Hopefully you guys caught it in my last video, but you'll see that I like to get rid of boxes as I go. I like to rely on my containers to hold what I'm organizing. It makes the overall aesthetic look a lot more pleasing and polished.
Music, but you tear me to pieces. So where does it come from? The scene that keeps playing on repeat ignores the rule of thumb. Oh, where does it come from?
We are all done in here. First I'll show you guys this little medicine cabinet. It just had kind of odds and ends, and I decided to put candles, and my grandma's had this forever. I don't know where it came from, but just put a couple rolls of toilet paper, some bath salts, and some air freshener in there, which I think that was in there before. Wiped things down, and I'll start with the top first. You'll see I refolded those towels. No special reason. My mom can switch them back if she wants. This is all first aid stuff. So, you know, regular, run-of-the-mill first aid stuff. And then in this bag, this is my grandpa's. I decided to put all of the trial size stuff for traveling. So that way my mom can just grab and go, throw it in a bag for my grandma when she travels. And now let's see if I can get this closed with one hand. Nope, not gonna work. Okay, we're back in business. So there's that cabinet. And then if we come to this one, again, I don't like to reinvent the wheel unless somebody asks me to. So in this little divider here, I just put a couple different odds and ends. This is all tooth care. These were already in here, just a bunch of cotton balls. And then soaps, bath bombs, that kind of thing. This is all first aid, stuff that you'd use more on a regular basis. More first aid stuff, and this is all body care plus daily stuff that Grandma uses. So that is the final look. We are pooped. We are gonna head to bed. Thank you guys for tuning in to today's video. We hope you enjoyed it, and please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks, bye.